Let's begin Splunk Enterprise Module 5. This module, entitled How Do You Price, covers licensing models in the Splunk Enterprise pricing metric. Splunk Enterprise pricing is based on the amount of data ingested in a 24-hour period, and customers have the option of buying Splunk Enterprise via a term or perpetual license. Customers who want to try out Splunk Enterprise can visit Splunk.com and select Free Splunk to see the different trial options. Sales trials can be configured by internal reps if a customer needs more capacity or an extended trial period for using the downloadable version of Splunk Enterprise. This slide briefly describes Splunk Enterprise perpetual licensing and the accompanying support options. An annual renewal of support is required for customers to retain access to the new releases. Remember that Splunk Enterprise is licensed by the amount of data indexed in a 24-hour period. Pricing starts at 1 gigabyte a day and scales all the way up to multiple terabytes per day. To see specific price points, Splunk employees can visit the pricing workspace in Salesforce.com for the latest price list for their region. If you are a partner, please contact your Splunk channel manager or distributor for assistance. This slide covers Splunk Enterprise term licenses. In general, term licenses are less expensive than perpetual licenses because the customer is only buying the right to use the software for a fixed period, usually 1 year. Term license pricing includes support, whereas for perpetual licenses the support is quoted separately. Let's summarize some key learning points covered in this module. Splunk Enterprise can be purchased as a perpetual or term license. Splunk Enterprise is licensed by the amount of data indexed in a 24-hour period, expressed in gigabytes per day. And remember, customers can also purchase premium solutions like Splunk Enterprise Security, Splunk User Behavior Analytics, and Splunk IT Service Intelligence, which are licensed separately. So where do you go to find additional information about Splunk Enterprise? For both internal employees and partners, you can find internal enablement resources on our global and partner field enablement portals by clicking on the Splunk Enterprise button. For internal Splunkers, you also have access to the playbooks that'll serve up relevant content based on where you are in your sales cycle. The customer-facing version of the Splunk Enterprise presentation can be found in Salesforce.com in the internal marketing workspace. Partners can find newer content in the Partner Hub and Partner Portal. For additional customer-facing artifacts, visit Splunk Enterprise on Splunk.com to find great white papers, datasheets, solution guides, and the like. If you'd like more information on Splunk Enterprise, you can reach out to individuals from product marketing. And as always, you can reach out to Global Field Enablement for all internal deliverables. We can always point you to the correct people to find the answers to your questions. This concludes our course on Splunk Enterprise. Thanks for listening, and happy selling.